Now Rajesh walked 25 meters towards south, turned left and walked 20 meters. He then turned left and walked 25 meters. He again turned right and walked 15 meters. At what distance he is he from the starting point and in which direction? So let this be the axis, the direction pointer. So this will be my north, this will be my east, this will be south, and this will be west. Okay, so let this be the starting point. Now Rajesh walked 25 meters towards south. So he has walked 25 meters towards south, and let us consider he reached this point. So this length is 25. Okay, and he is facing south direction now. Then he turned to his left and walked 20 meters. So this will be my left and this will be my right. So he turned to left and walked 20 meters and he reached this point. So let this distance be 20. Now he will be facing east direction. He then turned to his left. So he is facing in each direction. So this will be his left and this will be his right. Again, he turned to his left and walked 25 meters. So if you observe, this distance is 25. So this distance is also 25. So I can say that the point will lie on this line, right? Now, now he again turned to his right. Now he will be facing, he is facing north direction. So this will be his left and this side will be his right. Okay. Yeah. 1 minute. Okay. Now he again turned to his right and walked 15 meters. So he has walked 15 meters in east direction. Okay. Now, at what distance is he from the starting point and in which direction? So this is our starting point and this is our final point. So the distance between these two is this plus 15. Okay. So we know that this length is equal to this length. Yes. So this will be 20 meters and this is 15. So the total distance between these 2 points is 35 meters. And now we have to determine the direction also. So this point is towards east from the starting point. So the answer for this question is 35 meters is the distance and east is the direction. So option B.